find out what Nimesh is hearing on this big rally that we're seeing in the markets. Nimesh, dealing rooms must be happy.
Oh yes, Rima, it's not only for for today's trade, but for this week itself. It's been a good week for the bulls and backed by institutional activity. I've been saying this for the last many days, and that's showing up in the FI numbers as well. Today, for a change, the FI data or the flow is very selective in the large cap names. But look at the broader markets. That's where the big action seems to be. And I guess one of the reason is, for the last couple of days, we are breaking on the upside in terms of crucial resistance and moving higher, and that gives a lot of confidence to retail and HN investors. And that's playing up in the broader markets. That's the overall feedback. I guess the next level to watch on the Nifty would be 18,200. That's the next resistance, so to speak. So that's the level to watch. But I guess there is clearly momentum now in the mid cap and small cap, backed by HN activity as well. I guess May is going to be tricky from individual stock point of view. I'm saying this because the first half of the earnings was better than what Street was expecting. The fag end of the earnings is largely where you'll see a lot of a lot of question marks and a lot of bad numbers. So that's something to track as far as May is concerned. But historically, May has been a good month, compared to what normally the saying is, sell in May and go away. Historically, May has been a positive month for global markets as well as for Indian markets. So let's see how May pans out. But for this week, it's been a good momentum and backed by institutional activity as well.
You know what I heard? Today someone said, forget sell in May, go away, buy in May, don't shy away. So that's, the new thing that I heard today. Go ahead.
Right. Nimesh, you go ahead. You tell us, what are you picking up in terms of individual stocks?
So, Nigel, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Laurus Labs. Even after a disappointing quarter, that stock is up. In fact, up 6% on good volumes. And I believe the volumes are largely contributed from HNI investors. So, some smart HNIs seems to have bought into today's weakness and hence a big move in that stock. So, that's the first one. The second stock is Stovecraft. For the last 3-4 days, the delivery volumes are quite high on this particular stock. There is a chatter as well that there could be a clean out trade from a domestic mutual fund. One mutual fund seems to be churning a lot of mid-cap portfolio and they own a large chunk. So, it looks like that clean out trade should happen very soon and hence an uptake in that stock as well in today's trade. The third stock is ITD Cementation. Again, a mid-cap stock, buzzing in trade, good volumes. And that shows the kind of confidence which is coming back in a lot of the mid-cap names. And ITD is also moving up in today's trade on good volumes at HNI. So that's the reason why that stock is buzzing. And the last stock is Axis Bank, something which the street seems to be talking too much now. So it's become a light of a consensus that there could be a large block coming in Axis Bank very soon. So post numbers, that stock is under pressure largely on that reason. If you look at the shareholding, one large private equity still owns 3% stake, and that supply overhang could be a reason why Axis Bank is under pressure today.
All right, lots of names, lots of moves. Thanks very much, Nimesh.